VIRB 360 Pair N+ sensors and remotes. When you pair with a compatible N+ sensor with your device, the sensor is recorded as G-matrix data. Activate and install the N+ sensor that you want to pair with. Bring the camera within 3 meters of the sensor. From the main menu, select Wireless. Select Sensors. Select Add New. Press OK when the sensor is detected. Press OK again to pair. After the sensor is paired with your device, the sensor status changes to connected. If you want to operate VIRB 360 with a remote, please pair with the remote. Select Wireless on VIRB. Enter Remote to activate this feature. Press one of the buttons on the remote. The status LED starts flashing green. Hold 2 keys simultaneously until the status LED starts alternating green and red, and release the keys. The remote searches for your VIRB device. When the remote pairs successfully, the status LED flashes green 12 times. After the remote is paired, it connects to your device whenever the device is in range and turned on. To learn more about VIRB 360, please watch the other videos in this series. Thank you for watching.